Friends, how are you? This is Devyani Singh. Welcome back my channel. In this video, I present to you modern bathroom shower design for small bathrooms. So let's start. Number one, a corner shower cubicle is the best option when you are short of space in your bathroom. This fits entirely in a corner, and the remaining space can have a wash basin or a vanity for storage. Instead of keeping the entire wall for the shower, you can get a corner shower and a vanity installed in it. Use tiles with bold pattern and a round edge partition to give your small bathroom shower a modern look. You can add mini storage therefore bath essentials such as body wash, shampoo, etc. But make sure not to make the place feel congested. Walk-in shower with glass partition adds a sense of luxury and comfort to your bathroom. You don't even need a large space. A walk-in shower uh, with a glass partition will enhance the overall look of your bathroom. Number two, choose the type of shower carefully. Decide it carefully whether you want a wall mounted shower or a ceiling based shower. Both can have their advantages as well as cons. The ceiling mount can handle large shower heads, bright color to create an illusion of a longer space. Using bright color to paint the walls, ground your walk-in shower is another great idea to make your bathroom look bigger. Color like white, light blue, and glass green can make the space appear bigger. These colors also reflect the light better, adding more positively to your bathroom under natural light. Even if you are going with fully tiled walls. So, friend, please subscribe my channel and like my channel. So, take care. Bye bye. See you again.